Hello, and welcome to Real Estate in a Minute. I'm George Mueller with Century 21 SGR. Today's topic, the weekly MRED Market Snapshot. A couple things before I dive in. Great indicator if you're looking to sell with the median home price. I'll get into that in a second. And not so great in terms of closed listings and listings under contract. You'll see what I mean as I go through this. Let's go with closed listings first. As you can see here, closed listings saw a 15% dip compared to last week, while outpacing last year's pandemic numbers by 29%. So a bit of a dip there. Listings under contract also dropped about 17% from last week, while outperforming last year's numbers by about 3% there. New listings were up 14% week over week, while outperforming last year's numbers by about 1% here. So this is a kind of a bit of an indicator we may be shifting a little bit to a buyer's market. Rental listings, as expected here, rentals saw a 44% jump compared to last week. This is not surprising, as I said, since June 1 fell within this metric. As you can see here with open houses, again, not to be surprised here, open houses were right back up to their highest level they've been on this metric. Come check out my newly listed 2-bed, 2-bath condo in the heart of the West Loop this Saturday for a great tour of kind of what's going on in the neighborhood there. Again, open houses, expect this to remain high. Showings, as you can see in the orange here, this is 2021. They are pretty much mirroring 2019. Take 2020 with a grain of salt. As you can see, it is outperforming this year. But again, take that with a grain of salt. I kind of look at 2019 as a kind of our barometer here. Sold prices, this is what I hinted at the start here. Median price soared in the first week of June to the highest levels in MRED's history. The 6% week over week surge pushed the median price for homes to $310,000. This is also outperforming last year's numbers by 21%. Again, $310,000 median price within this market. And then finally, rentals. Prices were up about $50 compared to last week and steady with last year's numbers. Again, good indicator, kind of steady here. Overall, the indicators suggest we're still in a seller's market with the median home price, as I suggested. That being said, keep an eye on new listings and closed listings as an indicator of a possible buyer's market emerging. As I've said previously, if you're looking to buy or sell, now is a fantastic time to be in either one of these markets, especially since interest rates are hovering right around 3, a little bit under. Depending on how you shop around, you can get something pretty good under 3% there for a 30-year fixed. And that's Real Estate in a Minute. Please feel free to reach out with any questions.